Today I'm going to do internship presentation under the guidance of Professor Bhavya MR. The contents of the presentation include the details about the company and the company name called AT Software and the service that are provided by the company, background of the work that have been done during the internship period, and work assigned for our during our internship period and knowledge gained through the internship and final conclusion of the internship. About the company name is called AT Software, which are mainly which mainly builds the Android application based on the client's requirement. ATU software is IT software based in Mysore, and it was founded in the year 2015. The founder of the ATU software was Pradyumna. They provide boot camps and teaching Android desktop application development and website designing. ATU software over the past few years has built many Android apps and games which are completely affordable, precisely and customizable solution. The company believe in open source technology. They build own apps, websites, and desktop or Windows application for clients based on the requirements. They they have developed an Android application called All Tools, which have more than 2000 plus 2000 million 2 million plus users. And this All Tools application is just 5 MB, which mainly consists of more than 60 plus tools like instant tools like torch, reminders, black camps, notes, Wi-Fi utility tools like walkie-talkie, music group, etc. Basic utility tools like leveler, IR remote, synth, IR remote, signal strength, pendulum, camera tools, and health utility tools, measure tools, editors like screen recorder, stop and stop motion animation, paint, audio utility tools like recorder, mic, text to speech or speech to text converter, extra tools like which include mouse code, stopwatch, generate QR code, billing system like this. They have there are 60 plus every day. People will use these kind of tools in our daily life. The main vision and values of the company are ATV Software is an Android application, desktop application developing and website building company, and also conduct workshops on Android app development. The vision of the ATV Software is in inventing the new apps which makes our life easier. Once in a year, they give a chance for few students to come and work in lab as an intern, which takes place for a month. This opportunity will help for the students to get a 1 month to get an experience how the project will be set up and how the project workflow will go in the workflow will go in an organization. All this experience will help the student to build their career, how they build their career. The services are the service provided by company or desktop app and Android apps development, building customizable website, and kind of learn Android. Like they will conduct 2 days of workshop in the colleges or like they will provide 2 days of workshop and certification for the workshops. Next is background of work. Initially, while in the beginning of our internship period, we have to configure our laptop for Android application development. For that, we have to install and configure software development Android SDK kit for Android development. Mainly, Android includes two types of file: XML file and Java file. XML file is mainly used for user interface design and to take the any input data from the user interface. Java file is to perform any logical operation on the data which have been received from a user interface or any other like performing database operation or any other logical implementation has to be done for that application. All those things will be done in Java file. And Android Studio is a officially integrated development environment for Android application development. And Android Studio offers advanced features for developing and debugging packaging Android apps. And We have been built 100 apps using Gradle based project, which will helpful for including any dependencies like uh, if you want to include any frameworks for developing an application like some of the frameworks are available for Java to perform the Java database connectivity or any other services. Work assigned during 4 weeks of internship, we have to develop an Android application and we have to design UI for our application, and we have to create or design our application icons for that app we have been developing. Work plan will go through like setting up all the knowledge which are required for the development of the for example, I have been developing application called Moscow Translate. For that setup, I have to analyze for which letter which Morse code will be used and how the translation will be, how the logically we can translate from Morse code to any text or text to Morse code. And we have to set up we have to design how the UI should look for the Morse code translator, and how the backend logic, how we can logically implement the backend for translation, and all that features, all that uh, work has been done in development phase. And finally, after developing, some issues will occur for any other software development. In our application, some of the issues were occurring while translating text to mass. And after that, we have to test our application whether it is working fine or not. And we have to finalize our application. Here, the results of our application built by me during internship period. Initially, they have given two applications to build. One is register, another one is Morse code translator. Yes, in register, we have to calculate the resistance value of the color band. Here, based on the color band which is specified in the register, we can calculate the resistance value of the color register. If they here list of buttons are given, based on the button pressed by the user, the resistance will be calculated as in the snapshot I have given. Another app developed is Morse code translator. In this app, we can translate text to Morse code and Morse code to text, both vice versa. And if the user presses text to Morse, it will be directed for another page where the user can enter the text value. And if the user presses translate button, it will be directed to another page or where the Morse code will be displayed. And if the in previous slide, the user presses Morse to text code, then the user must have gone through the instruction where the in for Morse code input, they have to provide space between each letter. And after entering the Morse code, for this Morse code will be translated to a text format shown in the snapshot. These are the two applications developed by me during my internship period. During our internship period, we gained so much of knowledge, like how the teamwork should be done, how the time management should be done for the development of any application. I have learned some problem solving skill while implementing some logical operation for the data, and communication skill and confidence also built for apps developed using Android Studio or appreciated because of ease and use. Creative software were completely satisfied about the work that I have done over a period of 1 month. They have delighted about the increased number of customers. I have learned how to use the Android Studio to develop an Android apps. Moreover, indirectly, it helps to learn independent discipline ourselves, be patient, self-trust, During my internship period, I didn't know anything about how the Android application will be developed. After during my internship, I have gained knowledge through the how Android application will be developed, and how basically how Android, which are the programming language or technology will be used during the Android application development. Thank you.